Picture a recent college grad walking into their first day of work. Now, picture a digital shadow walking right beside them, a synthetic version of themselves that never sleeps, never takes a coffee break, and processes information 1,000 times faster. This image feeds what economists call the scarcity mindset. It is the creeping fear keeping parents and teachers up at night, the belief that there is a fixed number of jobs in the world, and artificial intelligence is systematically eating them. The anxiety is grounded in reality. The entry-level work used to build a young professional's resume, writing basic Python code, drafting preliminary legal contracts, summarizing complex spreadsheets, can now be executed by a large language model in seconds. This creates a profound crisis of confidence in our schools. If we are training students to perform tasks that machines already do better and faster, it feels like we are preparing them for an economy that is permanently shrinking. But what if that premise is entirely backwards? What if, instead of destroying the job market, artificial intelligence is actually constructing the greatest engine of economic expansion in modern history? To understand how this works, we have to look at Chapter 6 of the Learn-It-All Educator. It details the transition to an abundance economy through 9 distinct economic engines. Engine 1 shows technology rarely eliminates occupations. Instead, it breaks complex jobs into smaller component tasks. As AI takes over routine pieces, a vacuum is created. The system requires new human roles to manage, coordinate, and orchestrate this machine output. We have seen this exact mechanism before. It is called the Jevons Paradox, named after this 19th century economist who noticed something highly counterintuitive about coal. When steam engines became more efficient, people assumed coal consumption would drop. The opposite happened. Because energy was suddenly cheaper, industries found 1,000 new ways to use it, and total coal demand skyrocketed. The exact same rule applies to knowledge work. When AI makes legal analysis or data processing cheaper, global demand for those services will explode. Satisfying that massive demand requires millions of humans in the loop to direct the tools. This surge in demand completely rewrites the baseline for human capability in the workplace. Through expertise democratization, AI elevates the starting line. Complex capabilities, like writing sophisticated code or analyzing market trends, are suddenly accessible to any entry-level worker. This chart shows automated capability versus human value. The rising bottom line is the AI baseline. Above it, the human skill premium skyrockets. This massive gap creates the governance layer, professionals dedicated entirely to trust, compliance, and ethical oversight. This compliance infrastructure ensures that no matter how sophisticated the generated data gets, humans remain the ultimate arbiters of truth and safety. AI handles superficial execution at the surface. The deep, complex infrastructure required to make any of it actually work still relies entirely on human cognition. Understanding this macroeconomic shift forces us to look closely at our microenvironments. We have to examine our classrooms. Right now, we are trying to teach a 21st century abundance reality using 20th century scarcity methods. That approach is failing our students. The core mandate is clear. Educators must use AI to add strategic friction. The machine should act as a coach, spotting the student, not lifting the weight. By using progressive overload, AI actively challenges the student's logic, preventing intellectual atrophy. To prepare graduates for an expanding economy, we have to completely redesign how we assess them, ensuring they are the ones doing the deep cognitive work. This diagram shows 4 layers of AI integration. Transforming a single classroom is just a start. Scaling requires a coordinated institutional architecture. Leaders must navigate AI for education operationally, AI in education pedagogically, the AI of the profession, and foundational AI literacy. The foundational frameworks to build this are open source, but orchestrating genuine, systemic change across an entire institution requires the complete roadmap. The complete edition of the book provides the crucial final steps, including strategies for managing the emotional boundaries students form with AI companions, alongside a highly practical workbook and action guide. We need to stop preparing students to compete with machines for a shrinking slice of the pie. Equip them to lead the new frontier.